As an online store owner, you're likely a one-person show. You're managing social media, doing product research, keeping track of taxes, and maybe packing and shipping your products. That's a lot of work. I'm getting tired just thinking about it. So you could probably use a personal assistant. But until you're at the point where you can outsource or hire someone to take on some of these tasks, you can make use of affordable apps available online. I'll share 5 tools that you can use to make your work easier. Taxes might be the most confusing and boring part of running an online store. We always recommend consulting with a tax professional when you're dealing with taxes. And this tool is an amazing resource for that. TaxJar tracks your sales state by state, submit tax returns to the state you're registered in, and even finds the right product tax codes for you. So it saves you time and energy spent doing your own bookkeeping and leaves less room for mistakes. After a 30-day free trial, TaxJar offers a paid plan starting at $19 a month. If you want to give TaxJar a try, check the link in the description. Now, let's talk about one of the favorite tools among Etsy sellers for managing social media content. With Outfy, you can publish your social media posts automatically and promote your Etsy listing in just a few clicks. You can create collages, videos, and GIFs, build a posting schedule, and have a pre-prepared list of hashtags to add to your posts. You can connect your Etsy store to up to 9 social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Tumblr. Outfy offers a free plan that lets you add 1 automated post per day on one social media platform and schedule your future posts. It can be a great way to see if the tool suits your needs and if you're ready to commit to one of their paid plans. Their paid plans start at $15 a month. You can check them out by clicking the link in the description. If you're looking for a good, simple to use Etsy SEO tool, eRank is definitely worth trying. eRank can be used for keyword research process, staying on top of trends, and even keeping an eye on your competitors. eRank offers a free and premium version. The free version has a limited amount of keyword searches daily, but you might find it's just enough for you. So make sure to check out this amazing tool by clicking the link in the description. With the Vela app, you can edit thousands of listings in just a few seconds, making it much easier to set up and take down a sale, add tags, edit listing attributes, and add listing photos. With Vela, you can manage several Etsy shops at once and add various Shopify stores, making it easy for you to sell on multiple channels. Vela has 2 paid plans starting at $5 a month. You can learn more about them by clicking the link in the description. Last but not least, Printful. We're a print-on-demand company, which means we fulfill and ship your products for you. You can add your designs on t-shirts, gaming pads, stickers, AirPod cases, windbreakers. The list goes on, and whenever someone buys your product, we'll prepare and ship the order to your customer under your brand. Printful is free to use, so feel free to experiment with it. You've got nothing to lose. To get started with Printful, click here. That's all for today. Are there any good Etsy tools that I missed? If so, let me know down in the comments. See you next time. Bye.